Hey, hey, fellow growers. Well, things change a little bit around here in the little balcony. This is what we got right now. So we got this little tomatillo plant that I'll be growing all winter long. It's finally March 10th, so yeah, I think we're not gonna see any more of those them very cold temperatures. It doesn't get really too cold actually over here in Houston, but it's still cold enough for upsetting some kind of plants, especially like tropical ones, like this little tomatillo thing, because I wanna get some tomatillo for a badass salsa, stuff like that. Yeah. The scorpion peppers, I had to trim it down because it was. There you go. Gotta gotta raise tray, baby. So yeah, the scorpion pepper. I mean, I had to trim it down all the way from here to all the way down there. Now for better usage of remaining energy, I just fertilize it and fertilize this plant, this little scorpion pepper. So I decided I'm not gonna let them grow too high, too wide. No, I'm just gonna keep it. I think only like this much, kind of short and bushy, and get just enjoy the peppers that I get from them. It's not like I'm growing for selling stuff. It's just they give me what they can. I use it and be happy with it. So I decided to plant more herbs too. Got some cilantro, little parsley. I bought it from Walmart. They were dying. I felt sorry for the little things. I came here planting to plant them. They're doing a little better. This is some, I don't know, some kind of berries that was growing by the side of the road, and I picked it up. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. I'm not gonna plant that in the container. I'm just gonna keep it in that little red container. I don't know, and make I don't know, an experiment, like a little maybe I'll be able to grow like a little bonsai, little tree. Yeah, from that plant. I don't know, but I want to keep it there. I want to keep it small. Over here we have these this flower plant. The flowers died already, but they were very pretty. Yeah, I got them from actually a funeral. Somebody came with this with these in a pot, actually, with pot with compost and everything. Just put it there in the offering section of the funeral, and I said, well, these I was actually from a member of my family, so I decided to take it home, make it significant, Yeah, so this has, even if it doesn't produce flower for, let's say, next year, but it has some sentimental value. Over here we have how do you call this? Beets. I think this baby is ready. You actually wanna pull them out? Yeah, I'm gonna pull them out. It's not hard to pull them out actually. Yeah, all these long stems and beautiful reddish stems. Yeah, look at that. That's a very good looking beet. Shake it, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Very healthy, no pests. I've heard, so far I know, the leaves are edible. We just, I don't know, saute them in butter, some stuff like that. Even just chop them up and you just put them in salads. Just eat them like they're pretty much like lettuce. So I try some, but not like only like a little piece of a leaf at a time. Not like chopping up like a whole bunch and just make a meal out of that. But I'll definitely try it. I'll definitely try that. We got that. I'm gonna put it on the side. Put it right there for now. For now. And there's another one. There's another big one back on this track. Yeah, they're very easy to pull out. The roots don't go deep at all. Just really in the surface. Maybe I'll plant that one back. No, I want to use the space for something else. But yeah, but this beet is bigger than that one. So yeah, let's keep it right there. And you know what? Let's get this baby out to, yeah. Yeah. I've seen beets this size in the market for sure. Yeah, that was fun growing them. They like slide. I planted the seeds like last November. It takes them like 4 months, something like that, 3-4 months to develop, the bulbs. Look at that, all that fluffy goodness. The fluffy compost. I'm sorry guys, I'm really proud of my compost. I'm sorry, I'm making myself a work. I got plenty of room over there, plenty of grass, which is the main component. With all my kitchen scraps, I just take my kitchen scraps over there. All kind of eggshells, vegetable skins and peels, leftover vegetables, whatnot, and I just mix it up with the cut grass. Every time they cut grass, I pile up the grass. I pile it up in a section, away from everybody's sight, in a very secluded area where I got no complaints at all about it. I mixed it up. It does not create odors like weird smells, like at all. No weird smells at all. So you take your kitchen scraps, no meat, no bones though, no kind of meat, no kind of bones at all. Only vegetable scraps and waste. So all chopped up onions, whatever peels, whatever. You just mix it up with grass, and you can get some of all those nutrients back to create some to make some compost out of that, and it's totally worth it. So all these containers fill up with just that. I haven't bought any of that compost. I made it myself. And maybe you guys can want to give it a try, because there's no compost like the one that you make yourself. Yeah. So plants will love it. Just look at the parsley. Have you seen so much parsley coming from just a few plants? It's freaking thick. There's leaves everywhere. Little cilantro in the back. Yeah, so yeah, I decided to grow more herbs. Yeah, for us to utilize in the kitchen. Yeah, we've used some of that cilantro in the kitchen already for guacamole. Yeah. Even you can add some parsley into guacamole. Yeah, just a little bit, not as much as cilantro. Cilantro gotta be more of it, but you can add just a little bit of parsley, and yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. And this is a little Peking pepper. The seeds I got from Mexico, so I'm giving this a try this year. Maybe this one I will let it grow taller and thicker than this guy and my legendary habanero pepper. I love this little guy. I've had this guy for 3 years, I guess. I keep trimming it, making it short in spring. By the end of fall, it's like this tall, very, 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 very tall, and very thick, using a lot of space. But that's what we do. You see the stem of this thing is very thick, very, very thick. It's very, very, very well sustained there. It's been a very good habanero plant. It's about to produce some fruit already. It has little flowers, little buds coming up. So yeah, so that's what's going on. Coming up is gonna be this tomatillo plant. I'm gonna plant it somewhere over there. I'm gonna make some room there for it. Maybe 1 or 2 more Peking peppers, just like this guy, that I've been growing inside. If you wonder why Peking peppers, well, I want to mix some habanero peppers, Peking peppers, and only one of these, because these are freaking extra hot. I cannot tolerate. I can handle more than one of these guys in one salsa. No, these are way too much. But habanero, I love it. Oh, and got some recipe for mango habanero wings, chicken wings. Ooh, oh my God, so freaking good. Maybe we'll add some recipes, kitchen recipes for this channel. I don't know. I got a few things that I want to try, but let's see what happens. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. These little marigolds, which you take these flower buds. When the little flowers die, they get to like dry it up and all that. You see the flower dead, so you take the bud, like this one. But this is not completely it's not completely dry. Now you come over here and you peel this off. I cannot do that with just one hand. It's pretty difficult, but inside the bud you have these little feathery things, which are the seeds. You see those black things? Those are marigold seeds. So you take that and you just spread it wherever you want it to be planted and flowering. That's how these little marigolds were born, from these guy seeds. There's one more marigold, a couple over there coming up. That one, they grow fast, really fast. But yeah, guys, that's what we got going on. That's what we got going on here in the balcony, little Houston balcony gardening. Yeah, that's what we got going on right now. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Let's see what's